Yeah, from Waynesville to from Canton. Oh, goodness. Okay, so sorry. I don't mean to cut it short. I just want to answer everyone's phone call to make sure. Have a good day. Absolutely. Mm-hmm. Julia, what do I do? Oh my God. Hi, WLOS. I assume you're calling about the earthquake. Oh yeah, phones are nonstop right now, so I'm just, you know, saying hello to everyone, making sure they're safe, and just, I'm gonna keep going. We will definitely have a official article up sooner or later. We're having our chief meteorologist looking into it. Absolutely. You have a wonderful day. Thank you for calling. Hi, WLOS. I assume you're calling about the earthquake. Yes. Oh my goodness. Okay, yeah, I keep getting all the craziest, even from Arden to Waynesville to Franklin to Canton. It's all over the spectrum, and the phones are just going nonstop. So I'm just trying to answer everyone and, you know, get their feedback, things like that. But yeah, we'll have our chief meteorologist confirm it and get those details on the web story later. Oh, wow. Oh, so it's Georgia and Ash. Okay, I see that connection now. Yeah, people are talking about Tennessee as well. Oh, well, thank you so much for calling in. That definitely helps. I'll take those notes down. I appreciate you. Oh my God. Yeah, I'm sitting here like, how did I not feel it? Was I just not paying attention? Who knows? Oh my goodness. I just wasn't even paying attention. Oh my goodness. Okay, well, thank you so much for calling in. Have a great day.
Rescue 3's exited the building for a long time.
It won't stop.
Yep, 3 out has one. Primary search complete.
Oh my God, this sound's gonna haunt me in my nightmares. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. Hello? Oh my God. Ah.
Right, there it is over there.
Hello, WLOS. Hopefully you are okay. I'm getting a lot of calls about this earthquake right now. Rutherford? Okay. Oh my goodness. Yeah, someone mentioned that it was just an onset of chains in Georgia, and it was just kind of a ripple effect, and I think even in Tennessee as well. I'm glad everyone is safe, though, and it wasn't anything crazy. Oh. I'm so sorry. Yes, absolutely. I'm definitely taking that now. Oh, yeah, that location definitely helps. I'm trying to write down all the locations right now of, you know, where people are reporting. And I'm getting another phone call right now. Oh, thank you so much for calling, though. Let me get this other. Absolutely. Have a wonderful day. You too. Bye-bye. Oh, my God. This is going to be me for the next 4 hours. Bruh.